Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding your Outlook account directly on the iPhone. This syncs contacts fast. Enter your email and password, then choose Exchange when prompted. Once done, allow the Mail, Contacts, and Calendars toggle. Make sure Contacts is on so items sync. If your account uses modern authentication, follow the sign-in and accept device permissions. If you see advanced options, keep default server values or get them from your admin. Do not skip enabling contacts. Once your account is added, you configure how contacts sync to avoid duplicates. Open the account settings and confirm contacts is enabled. Choose the sync range if available. Next, go to Settings, Contacts, Default Account, and pick your Outlook account so new contacts save there. Also check Fetch New Data. Enable Push for instant updates or set a fetch schedule to save battery. Make sure duplicate handling is acceptable. If you use iCloud too, decide which source will be primary. To finish, verify contacts appear in the Contacts app by enabling the Outlook group. You should see names and details populate. If they don't, force a sync. Toggle contacts off for the Exchange account, then back on, or sign out and re-add the account. If problems persist, restart the iPhone, confirm your password and server settings, and ensure network access. One key troubleshooting tip: if duplicates or missing fields occur, temporarily disable iCloud contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.